$10,000 that I just spent on Robux? Bruh, that is crazy. Oh my god. You know what? That's it. Yeah. That's what you get. I realized that's my little sister's cat. Let's see the damage. Uh-oh. I think she's dead. Brother, why did you kill my little sister's kitty cat? Because it's annoying and it's dead. Her cat is dead? Why did you kick her? Because she's making me annoying, idiot. You call me idiot? Whatever. I'm gonna play some video games. I hope he doesn't tell my little sister because I kicked her little kitty cat. Hey, little sister. Yes? My brother kicked your little cat. He did what? I'm gonna hit him. Huh? Hey, little sister. What are you doing here? Why did you kick my... I did not kick her. Get off of me! Get off of me! Get off of me! Get off of me! What the heck? He better die. Yo, bro. I remember that you hit my little sister's cat. It's not what it looks like, older brother. I did it on purpose to make me annoying. He did what? I'm gonna ground him. Cookie, get your butt in here. Okay. I'm sorry what it looks like. I fucking hate you. You will never go in this house ever again. I fucking hate you. I really fucking hate you. Get the fuck out of my house, bitch. Okay.